Hello, I'm Nick. You're watching Next Scam Advisor. Today we are talking about ZaraPlace.com. Know if it's scam or legit. You should know about it. ZaraPlace.com. Stay connected with this video to know this. We will provide you with the best service and product. ZaraPlace is one of the world's leading online store, and you have many great reasons to buy from us. We are a fast growing company because we always put the customer first. A customer centered shopping experience has always been our goal, and we are oversleeves in our comprehensive policies that have put in a realm above but beyond. Our competitors come and pick your favorite. Do comment your thought about this website in this product. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.